Hey y'all, here's a quick update on Little Bit and the baby guinea. I named the baby guinea Nick from Nickelodeon. Don't know why, it just happened, it stuck. So I decided to go ahead and come out here and clean out their cage and see how they were doing. I got some fresh food and water. It's kind of chilly this morning and the wind's blowing. You can see it blowing the shavings around. But they run off and run back into the warm part. There she goes. The little guinea loves to hide. It does not like to be seen. Can y'all see it?